Hey guys, and Merry Christmas! Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you my absolute favorite cookie recipe for Christmas. We are going to be making some buttered cookies called Spritz. These cookies will melt in your mouth. These are the epitome of what Christmas means to me because I have so many memories of making these with my mom, enjoying them. I just love them so much. This video is in collaboration with a sweet friend of mine, Life with the Love-A-Days, here on YouTube. Make sure you check her video as well as the rest of the playlist out, and let's get started on baking.
All I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby.
Now that I have all of my ingredients out and ready to go, it is time to mix our dry ingredients. So I am going to mix 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm just going to whisk this together to make sure it is nice and incorporated.
Making plans, what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been lonely.
To my stand mixer, I am going to add in 3 sticks, so 1.5 cups of room temperature butter, and I'm going to mix that for about 30 seconds so it's nice and airy. And then I'm going to add in 1 cup of sugar and mix that up until it's nice and fluffy.
Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need
So once you're happy with your butter and sugar mixture, it is time to add in some eggs and vanilla. To crack my eggs, I always use a smaller bowl to the side so that I don't end up with any egg shell in my cookie dough. This is just a quick tip that helps everybody along in this season. The recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I add just a little bit more just because I really love that flavor. And I'm going to blend it up until it is all nice and combined before I add in my dry ingredients.
Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy.
I am adding in my dry ingredients a little bit at a time and making sure it is very well incorporated before adding any more. And I'm going to do this until I have used all of the flour mixture.
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Now for the fun part. Now these cookies are using a cookie press. You can get these on Amazon, at your local Michael's, and even sometimes at the grocery store. But this one is near and dear to my heart. This is an antique piece that I inherited from my grandmother. This is the same type of cookie press I've always used growing up. My parents have one very similar. And it comes with different shapes. So I have a tree and a little wreath here that we're going to be using for today's cookies.
Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Yeah, haven't seen you in so long, though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too?
Personally love using silicone baking mats, but if you do not have these, parchment paper is a perfect alternative. It is a labor of love, and sometimes the cookie just doesn't come out the way you like it, and if that's the case, just scrap that cookie, throw it back in the bowl, and add the dough back later and try again. But these are so much fun because the shapes are just so festive and fun, and you can make these all year long. I just prefer to keep them in the Christmas season.
Oh, when I got you by my side. What a night. Oh, girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday.
And once you have them all pressed out, it is time to put them in the oven. They will bake for only about 7 to 8 minutes in a 400-degree oven. And when they come out, they look so adorable. Look at how pretty these are. They should have a nice light golden ring around the bottom. For mine, I like to elevate them a little bit. They are perfect on their own, but I am going to dip them in some Ghirardelli dark chocolate melting wafers and add in a few sprinkles just to keep that festive spirit alive. If you guys are into all things holiday, make sure you are subscribed to my channel here. I have so much Christmas content coming up. On Friday, I will have my first decorating video, and I am also sharing a ton of inspiration over on my Instagram. So if you haven't already, make sure you follow me over there. My handle is @SoVeryVeronica.
While we're dancing around the Christmas tree.
And if you try to make these cookies, definitely let me know over on Instagram what you think. Don't forget to check out the rest of the ladies' videos in our playlist, and I will see you guys on Friday in a brand new video. Bye!